Hey guys, so I'm going to show y'all something real quick. We have probably one of the worst weeds that's a growing problem in this area. It's called KR Bluestem, and it is King Ranch Bluestem. And when it gets into your lawn, we actually don't have any products on the market that are labeled to treat it. And it is a very difficult weed to control. It's a perennial, so it's going to come back year after year. And the best we can do is control with pre-emergence the seeds that it drops to try to prevent those from coming in. There is another way we can do it in the going into winter. There's a way we can try to treat it, and they actually pull out pretty easy as well once we get into winter time. The roots will shrinking up a little bit when we can get kind of plop them out of the ground, but it is a huge problem. So if you have these in your yard, you just have to be patient. We will eventually get in control of them, but it does take a number of seasons to get that, and it is not something that's going to go away real quick. Like I said, we don't have anything on the market where we can just spray throughout the year and knock it out. It is a little bit more manual control, but eventually we'll get it taken care of. And if y'all have any questions, just let me know. Thanks a lot. And you can normally identify this pretty easy if you look at it. One, it grows real fast. Two, the seed heads, it almost mistakenly will kind of look like a small kind of Dallas grass, or kind of a cross between a large Bermuda grass and a small Dallas grass. But if you look at the seed heads, they definitely look like Bermuda, but this is not a Bermuda plant. This is the KR Bluestem.